Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Red Elevator. I'm Nina Takesh, and today we are going to do a video on my quick morning makeup routine, and you are not going to want to miss this because I have an incredible surprise to share with you today. I have received a lot of comments and direct messages from you guys asking me what my morning routine is, and this is actually the perfect time to shoot this video because I'm going to share exactly what I do in the mornings where I'm in a hurry. So I want to thank Katherine Power, who sent me this incredible, luxurious, brand new line of makeup called Merit. Now, Merit was designed by Katherine Power, and Katherine Power is actually, she's a big powerhouse. She is the founder of Who What Wear, and she knows everything about fashion and has been in the industry for a long time. So Katherine, thank you for these products. I just can't wait to share them with everyone. I've been using these in the morning for my 5-minute routine, and I want to show you guys why these products are as good and as great as they are. There is very limited time in the morning to get dressed, and especially these days when you're wearing masks, you don't need a full face of makeup. So just like Katherine Power, I too am an entrepreneur and a mom, and this is why this kind of makeup is really useful, and I'm going to show you exactly how I apply her product. The first thing that I use is the micro face cover. Now, what's really great about this is that you just basically touch up where you've got issues. I've got melasma from who knows what. And what I like to do is I don't like to put on a whole face of concealer. I think it's heavy. I think it makes you break out, etc., etc. So basically, you put it in the areas where you've got some issues. And I like to put it on my lip because it makes my lipstick last longer. And then you take her incredible brush and you basically blend it into the skin. And this product is very eco-friendly. It's only made with natural ingredients. So then you basically blend it in nicely all over your face, really quickly. It doesn't have to take a long time. And I blend in my lips as well. I go a little bit on my forehead. And then the best part is the highlighter. Now this highlighter is, again, very fresh. All of her makeup is made with products that do not make you sick and are really good for you and good for your skin. So I apply my highlighter as such. I always like to do the top of my nose, a little bit here. And the highlighter is very dewy. Everything feels very natural. You know, there is no scent, really no strong odor. It's really a natural product made for busy moms. And this is probably my favorite of all of our items. This and the mascara are probably the mascara. Look, I've always used one mascara my entire life, and I would not switch, but I have now officially switched to the Merit mascara, and it is mind-blowing how good it is because it doesn't run. I did the test. As you can see, I like to use my 4th finger because I don't want to be offensive to myself in the mornings. And I use the 4th finger to blend it in. It's the finger with the least amount of power so that you don't create wrinkles. You got to take care of yourselves, ladies, from the beginning. So I put on, as you can see, a little bit of color so I don't look morbid. Then I grab my brow gel, my Merit brow gel that is really wonderful because what it does is, without having to go through a whole process, I basically apply it to my lashes going downwards. And this I learned from Katherine, who really is a pioneer in fashion and everything else. And she's just such a great entrepreneur, and this makeup line is proof of that. But I am putting, as you can see, the brow gel, and it makes my eyebrows feel really sort of together and awake and fuller and bolder. Once you do downward, on the eyebrow, then you want to go a little bit upward. That way the eyebrow just looks a lot fuller, as you can see from my application of the brow gel. So this is an amazing product. Now remember, 5 minutes, then one of the last things I do is I put the mascara. This is the product that I was telling you guys about, which I have officially switched from Definisil's. Sorry, Lancome. I know it's a sad parting, but what I like about it is that it's very, very feathery and it does not leak throughout the day. And I know that it's non-toxic. So I'm going to apply the mascara. I put it at the base of my lashes. And then of course I do a little movement, a little vibration. The right amount of product falls on my eyelashes. And again, using that vibration technique, my eyelashes are now very thick, very luscious, and I look wide awake. I mean, how amazing is this? I'm gonna apply a little bit more to the other side. While it was drying, I always like to do a two-take application. And the reason I like it and why it works with this product is that it doesn't dry so quickly where it all of a sudden gets goopy. So, you know, thank you, Katherine, for this incredible makeup line. And then I apply my lip gloss as such. What I love about this lip gloss is that it's very nourishing. It feels very luxurious on the lips. And it's the perfect amount of lip for your everyday errands, everyday work, and being on the go. So you don't want to go overboard. This is how I like it. I like it to be very natural. So there you have it. This is my no makeup look, just like my no kitchen look. And it's really about being natural and being in the elements. Thank you for joining me on this 5-minute morning routine episode here on the Red Elevator. I hope that you also agree that this makeup looks dewy and looks fresh and is easy to use. I'm very curious to see if this looks as dewy as it feels, so let me know with your comments below. Again, thank you for joining me on this episode. All the products that you see from Merit in your shade are available and are linked below. Give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you again right here on the Red Elevator next week.